As you head out, we're looking at temperatures much cooler than they were a couple of days ago. We're looking at about 50 degrees right about now. All of South Texas, basically from Houston over to Del Rio, is under the cloud cover. That's why we're in the 50s and 40s. But North Texas has got clear skies. That's why they've dropped all the way down into freezing and below into the 20s. Here is the visibility map. We've got 2.5 miles at Ingleside and 2.5 miles in Alice. Now, so far, so good, but this could drop another, if the temperature lowers one more degree, we may have much deeper problems. But right now it's fairly just soupy and drizzly, but no significant rain around the area. The only heavy rain is really up toward Victoria and Houston. There we are. You can see that activity out over the Gulf waters. Hardly anything actually falling that Doppler can pick up, but it's very misty and very foggy out there, and I know you'll probably need the wipers. Here's the cloud deck. As I mentioned, it's all in deep South Texas, while North Texas has cleared out. There is a front that came through on Sunday afternoon. It is now, here's the problem, it's going to stall right along the coast, and what happens there is we start seeing an overrunning pattern. In other words, the cool air came down. You see this moisture coming in from the Pacific. That's running on top of that cool air, and so we get this overrunning pattern. In addition to that, we're going to get what's called a coastal trough. That's why we're going to have periods of cloudy weather and then showers, and then cloudy and showers over the next couple days. We look across the country, you can see how the jet is going like this, following it to the northeast. So everything is going rapidly to the east. But on the west coast, I just wanted to show you this. There's some good news. Certainly they could use it. Two systems, this one and this one, both are coming in to bring rain to California and much of the Northwest. They've been in a massive drought, and of course you've heard about the fires, and that's, I think, going to help because at least it'll cool it down. They might even get some snow. So here's our coastal trough. That's the showers today and tomorrow and Wednesday. But by Wednesday, it starts to pull away, and I think that we'll be partly cloudy to mostly cloudy on Thanksgiving Day, and at least temperatures will not be, brutally cold for, the kids to run around. We're looking at rather sloppy weather for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures staying 50s, 60s. On Thursday, I'm calling for mostly cloudy with maybe a break or two in the cloud deck. We'll get up to 65. Then we'll warm up a little bit for Saturday, Friday, and Saturday. And then Sunday night, another big cold front rolls through the area for a little bit of cooling. But I think the weekend is going to work out okay. If you're traveling for the next couple of days, just be cautious and be careful with the sloppy roadways. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by NEC Co-op Energy. And